I make six figures a year, but I'm still broke. I work a full-time job, and I have a steady income. But somehow, every paycheck, it's the same story. First the bills, then the stress, and no progress. I should be financially stable, but I'm basically living paycheck to paycheck. I keep hitting a wall, and I don't know why. I really don't understand what it is that I keep doing wrong.
Today we're breaking down the psychology behind a common financial reality. Why people earning six-figure incomes still live paycheck to paycheck. The problem isn't income, it's behavior. Number one, you're not broke because you earn too little. Number two, you're broke because you spend without control. Higher income didn't fix your problem, it amplified it.
Behavior?
Let's look at what your behavior is doing to your money.
I mean, my income did go up over the years. Promotions, raises, better opportunities. But my life changed too. Better apartment, better car. Eating out more, nicer things. I figured, that's what you're supposed to do when you make more money, but somehow, it still never feels like enough.
This is called lifestyle inflation. When income rises, spending rises with it. Your standard of living expands. Your financial pressure stays the same. You didn't increase your freedom. You increased your obligations. Higher income without control creates a more expensive life, not a stable one.
So, I make more money, but I also need more money just to maintain my life?
Exactly. Your income grew, your margin didn't. Let's look at the next pattern.
Honestly, I don't even know where most of my money goes. It's not like I'm making huge purchases all the time. It's just small things, subscriptions, ordering food, convenient stuff, random spending during the week. And at the end of the month, it adds up to a lot more than I expected. I feel like my money just disappears.
Your money doesn't disappear. You lose visibility. Small decisions repeated daily create large financial outcomes. You don't have a spending problem. You have an awareness problem. What you don't measure controls you.
So it's not the big decisions, it's the small ones happening every day?
Exactly. Wealth is shaped by daily behavior, not occasional choices. Now let's look at the deeper issue.
I guess part of it is pressure. People around me are doing well. Better homes, nicer cars, vacations, and you feel like you're supposed to keep up. I mean, I work hard. I should be able to enjoy my money. But sometimes it feels like I'm just trying to maintain an image, and that gets expensive.
You're not spending for value. You're spending for identity. This is status spending. You're buying approval. You're buying appearance. You're buying temporary validation, and validation is expensive.
So, it's not about the money. It's about how I want to be seen.
Exactly. Wealth builders seek freedom. Consumers seek approval. And there's one final pattern keeping you stuck.
So if income isn't the solution, and spending is the problem, then what actually fixes this? How do people break out of this cycle?
They build control. Financial stability is not luck, it's structure. People who build wealth follow simple rules. Spend less than you earn, create margin every month, build cash reserves, limit lifestyle growth. Repeat for years. No complexity, just discipline.
So it's not about earning more, it's about controlling what happens after I earn.
Exactly. Income gives you opportunity. Discipline turns it into wealth. Now let's talk about the identity shift required.
I always thought making more money would fix everything. But now I see. The problem wasn't my income. It was my behavior, my habits, my decisions. I needed more control, not more money.
Wealth is not created by income. It is created by identity. When your behavior changes, your financial life changes. Financial stability is built slowly, through discipline, through control, through consistent decisions over time. This is how second chances become permanent.
I understand now. It starts with me.
Change your behavior, change your future.